Okay, good afternoon, members of the media. This afternoon's brief is on the severe tropical cyclone Ola and the tropical depression 07F. A tropical cyclone alert is now in force for the Lao group. At 1 p.m. today, severe tropical cyclone Ola was located 16.8 degrees south, 170.3 degrees west, or about 330 kilometers southeast of Apia, and moving towards west-southwest at 13 kilometers per hour. A tropical cyclone Ula is a Category 3 system with 65 knots winds estimated near the center, and on its projected path it is expected to maintain west-southwest track and move at 18 kilometers per hour. We would expect tropical cyclone Ula to lie close to Lakemba at 1 p.m. tomorrow, and the distance would be around 411 kilometers east of Lakemba, and at 1 p.m. tomorrow, and it will lie about 150 kilometers southeast of Lakemba at 1 p.m. on Sunday. Apart from that, the tropical depression, which was causing rain and gusty winds, has moved to the further south and is expected to move away from the group, and the associated cloud and rain is expected to gradually ease. The potential for it to develop into tropical cyclone is still low to moderate, and we would expect not to develop any further in next 24 to 48 hours. A strong wind warning remains in force for eastern Viti Levu, Vanua Levu, Taviuni, and nearby smaller islands, Lao and Lamai Viti group. And the forecast for midnight tonight for eastern Viti Levu, Vanua Levu, Taviuni, nearby smaller islands, Esaus and Mamanuda groups are strong clockwise winds with average speeds of 45 kilometers per hour, gusting to 65 kilometers per hour. Rough to very rough seas. Elsewhere, moderate to fresh clockwise winds, gusty at times. We also have a heavy rain warning remains in force for the eastern and northern Viti Levu, Esavas, and Mamanuda group. A flood warning also remains in force for the low-lying areas and areas adjacent to Wailotua and Nayabu Station, and areas downstream from Wanimbuka River. A flood alert is now in force for areas adjacent to Rekireki town and areas downstream of Rekireki, and another flood alert is in force for areas adjacent to Navalau Station and areas downstream to Navalau Station.